Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change notification sound on OnePlus Pad Pro. To change notification sound, go to Settings. Then scroll down and find Sound. In Sound, scroll down to Notification Tone, and here you can either choose a theme from classic themes, aquamorphic themes, dynamic tones, or custom sound from the device, but I'm gonna stick to the classic themes and choose something from here. When you click on something, you can hear its preview. I've decided on this one, so I just click on it and now it's set. I can go back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.